Hey everybody, Sony just finished with their big press conference at IFA 2018, and the big news on the audio front was the new 1000X Mark III noise canceling headphones, which we've been playing around with for a couple of days. They're amazing. You can check out that write-up on digitaltrends.com. But there was another audio product Sony announced here at the show, and that would be this, the new XB501 speaker. It's designed to be a portable speaker. It's got a handle right back here. There's also a matching strap. Comes in a number of different color options. Has some different sound modes. Live sound mode is aimed for outdoor use, so it kind of boosts the bass and the treble so that you get a lively sound when you're outdoors. There is an extra bass option as well to really boost the bass, which of course people love these days. Lots of LED lights to make it kind of engaging. This follows what Sony has done with their other portable speakers in the recent past. The speaker retails for $300, which is kind of pricey for a portable speaker of this type, but it does feature the Google Assistant, so it's a fully functional Google Assistant speaker. If you're looking for a portable speaker that you can take out to the sand and the surf, you can wash it right off thanks for its dustproof and waterproof characteristics. 16-hour battery life. I mean, this is a great little party speaker to take on the go.